All right, question number 14. Write 1 over 16 in the form 4 to the power of n, where n is an integer. So what is, we need to introduce 4, okay? We need to somehow find a way to introduce 4. What's the link between 16 and 4? Okay, we know the link between 16 and 4 is that 16 could be written as 4 squared, like that. Okay, so I've replaced 16 with 4 squared. And now our knowledge of negative indices. So how do we treat this? Well, the 4 can be written like that, and that 2 has a negative like this, and now we've written it. Now can you see n is in the position of -2, so therefore n is -2, which is an integer. Okay, it's just a negative integer, but an integer nonetheless. So part B of this question, work out the value of 8 to the power of 5 over 3 minus 9 to the power of 3 over 2. How do we deal with this? Right, if we rewrite each of these, so what happens when you have a power, which is a fraction? That 3 means the cube root of 8, and the 5 means to power that, okay, like that. So that would be, for the 9, it would be the square root of 9. We don't need to write the 2 there, but you can do if you want to, so that it's consistent with the other one, and it will be powered to 3, okay, like that. Now, what is the cube root of 8? The cube root of 8 is 2, so that's 2, and then the 5 is hanging around outside like that. What's the square root of 9? That is 3, and the 3 is hanging around to power it. So what is 2 to the power of 5? 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 3 to the power of 3 is 27. So what is 32 take away 27? It is 5. So the value of that is 5.